guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make country balls. First, we are gonna pick a flag. Pick any flag you want. This Canada flag. Okay, what we need to do is just make a circle. So what you need to do is to do this. There you go. Right now we need to make shadows. Like this, and make it the shadow. There, we made our own shadows. Now, let's make the other shadow. But be careful, you might do something wrong. We need to place it in the right area. I will place it here if you want to. Be very careful not to go in these black space. Do not go too far from the blacks. Yes, our shadow's done. What we need to do is to make the eyes. We need to do this. This is how we make the eye. We make it like a rainbow and make a line. And let's put some white there. Fill up all of them with white. There you go. That's our country balls ready. But one more thing. My country ball is a Canada one. Look. You could put anything you want. This is how you make a hat. I will show you really quick. Okay. It's a good hat. There, our country ball's ready. You can do animations you want. You can do this. Look at this, watch. And watch this. Look. It's nice. Thank you for watching. See,